CN cycles, decreases the carbon footprint. So that's we are also talking about through our technology. We are helping companies in remote collaboration through our various tools. So we have audio offering, one of the leading products called Anytime. So the first offering we started our company with. It's a reservation-less on-demand audio conferencing service designed for last-minute meetings, frequent meetings. It gives a user accessibility 24/7 with a dedicated customer service. You can conduct meetings any point of time without informing or using Arcaden services. This comes with a lot of productivity tools which becomes easy for you to use audio conferencing in day-to-day basis. Very highly secure and redundant infrastructure in place. Connectivity across the globe. We also provide the audio console online management tool to manage your audio conferences. You can view your participant, you can dial out, you can also unmute or mute the participants. Also, we provide audio conferencing launch, which is recently launched service for all our customers, where with one single portal you can manage your conferencing accounts, how you manage your reservations, how you invite people. So it becomes a single access point for you to manage your conferences. Another important feature of our service is post-conference report, where you can track your conference to understand how many people actually logged in into your call. So those all data are available on your email immediately. Our web offerings, we also provide data related conferencing. As people do audio conferencing, they need some time to share data along with the audio conference. So there comes the web conference. This is our flagship product, own proprietary developed product, very light, runs on a very low speed bandwidth as well, called Arcaden Anywhere. You can share your documents, you can share your desktop, you can chat with the participants, you can have a whiteboard, you can use annotations. All basic features of web conferencing are available. Both pay-per-use and license model available on this web conferencing service. All you have to do is just share the link with the participant. When he clicks, he can join your web conference. This conference can be integrated with the audio conference. So you can send a single invite and your participant can join through single link. Another important partnership we have is Cisco for providing their suite of business specific applications like Event Center, Training Center, Support Center. These are all advanced version of web conference designed keeping in mind the requirements of various departments like sales, marketing, IT, and other departments. So events and webcasts is another important product offering of Arcaden. So as we developed along in 10 years, the need of the conferencing industry or people who are communicating also increased. So more mass communication tools were required. So events, virtual events came into being then. So we also developed products in virtual events. So audio event is one of the first category of products we have in event, virtual events, that called Arcaden Event. So Arcaden Event basically takes care of your audio event part, where you want to manage your audio conference, where you have large scale number of audience, where you need operator to assist you in monitoring your call, where you need to conduct a question and answer session through a professional mode, where operator is helping you. You can record the call, you can take the names of the people who have joined in the call. So these all are services available in Arcaden Event. You can also at the end of the event get the list of participants and the transcription. Arcadin IR, again a variation of our audio event services. Basically, this is an investor relation conference call specifically designed for investor relation call conducted by listed companies for their analysts and investors. Specific features of this IR are basically the flow of the investor relation, the welcome address, the Q&A session for analysts, the transcription. All are specifically designed keeping in mind the requirement for investor relation call. So Arcadin has designed proper services for IR relation calls. Arcadin Webcast. This is our flagship product for large scale audience. This is a large scale audience if you want to target. Arcadin Webcast is the right product. It basically uses the streaming technology to send videos, PowerPoint presentation, interactivity through chat. So with one click you can see the live streaming of the event or a physical event happening at anywhere in the world. So this gives you a freedom to integrate your actual live event